open the iRobot Home app for help.
Error 14. Come on, Roomba. Our Roomba is giving us an error 14. If we look that up in the app, it is bin not detected. So the bin is our dustbin here, the piece on the back that collects our dirt. Well, how the heck does our Roomba know if the bin is installed or not? Well, there's these two metal plates on the bin itself that fit into two contacts here. And normally what happens over time, if this is not detected, these are dirty. So the best way that I know of to clean up these contacts is some rubbing alcohol, and I like to use some Q-tips, but you can use a rag or paper towel if you want. So this is simply a matter of getting some rubbing alcohol on our Q-tip here, and we can clean off the metal surfaces of these contacts. The two on the machine are a little bit harder to access, so why don't we spray some rubbing alcohol on there. Then what I like to do is take a screwdriver and some paper towel. We'll fold this up, put it over the screwdriver, and then we can slide it through those contacts. Look at all that dirt we're getting off there. We'll mop up the extra alcohol. One good thing about this rubbing alcohol is it evaporates very quickly on its own anyway and won't make anything wet. Let's go see if we're back in business. Yay, my vacuum's back. You go, Roomba, you go.